Hello everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be learning 21 word substitutes with the letter A with the meanings and examples, which are going to be very useful for all your competitive exams. Let's move on. So the first word is agenda. What do you mean by agenda? Agenda is nothing but a list of things to be discussed at the meeting. Okay, there were 4 points on the agenda of the meeting held last Thursday related to the sale. So, which means agenda is nothing but a pro forma, or you make up a list of things what is going to be the next. So if it is a meeting, they'll make up the agenda, like who is going to do the introduction, and who is going to start the meeting, and who is going to wind up the meeting, and who is going to talk in the middle. Everything in detail they will be writing the same way it is here. Okay, agnostic. A person who claims neither faith nor disbelief in the existence of God. So, a person who claims neither faith nor disbelief in the existence of God. They will not claim there is a faith, or they will not believe in God, nor they will reject there is God. Those type of people are called agnostic. After Deepak became agnostic, he stopped going to temple because of his doubt about God's existence. Altruism. Unselfish interest in the welfare of others. Sita used to show her altruism whenever she donates her money to the poor. So she earns very little amount and she donates most of the amount to the welfare of others, for the poor. So that is called altruism. Amateur. One who engages in an activity as a pastime rather than as a profession. So who engages in an activity, who involves in an activity as a pastime rather than taking it as a profession. John is an amateur singer. I hope he makes dancing as a career one day. So he dances so good that I feel like he takes dancing as a career one day. Ambidextrous. Able to use both hands equally. So people that are ambidextrous are very extremely rare. So very rare people have the habit of writing with both the hands. Okay, that is called ambidextrous. Ambiguous. Having more than one meaning and so is unclear. So if someone is talking very unclearly or without meaning, or like the sentences having more than one meaning, then that is called ambiguous. A cold, ambiguous smile was the only reply he received to his speech. Next, amphibious. Living on land as well as in water. Crocodiles or amphibious animals. Anarchist. One who rebels against authority or established order. Some countries don't encourage anarchists. Annihilation. Complete destruction of something. The enemy troops were annihilated by the Indian army. So the Indian army completely destructed the enemy troops. Anonymous. A person not identified by name of unknown name. So if the person is not having an unknown name, like if some content is not having a name, or then we call it as anonymous. A person not identified by name of unknown name is called anonymous. Example, some authors and poets wish to remain anonymous. So some authors and poets wish to remain anonymous. Anthology. A collection of poems or stories. A collection of poems or stories is called anthology. I have just come to know that I have purchased a worst anthology in my life. So I have purchased a worst anthology. A book of poems or stories is called anthology, or a collection of poems or stories. Antidote. A substance that can act against the effect of poison. So, a substance that is acting against poison. Music is a good antidote to stress for me. Okay, antiseptic, a medicine that prevents infection. Doctor prescribed me an antiseptic cream for my wound. So I got hurt and doctor prescribed me an antiseptic. Okay, for not getting infected. Astronomy, study of stars, is called astronomy. I love this book on astronomy. Audience, a number of people listening to a lecture or a concert. So the theater is full of audience. The theater is full of audience. Autobiography, life history of a person written by himself or herself. Every artist writes his own autobiography. So life history of a person written by himself. So if he writes his own autobiography, if he writes about himself, then if he writes his own life in a book, then it is called autobiography. Every artist writes his own autobiography. Autonomous, a person or an institute that can take decisions independently. They proudly declared themselves as part of autonomous province. Atheist, a person who does not believe in the existence of God. So the people who doesn't believe in the existence of God are called atheists. Babu Gogineni is an atheist. He doesn't accept this religious argument. Archaeology, study of life and culture of ancient people through the excavation of sites. I believe that students of archaeology has good information in Salajang Museum. Here the spelling of museum is wrong. I'm sorry. S-E-U-M, not double-E. Okay. Anarchy, absence of government, is called anarchy. When you have people losing trust in the system, it leads to anarchy. Okay. If there is no government or there is a downfall of the government, then we call it as the government has fall down, and then that is called anarchy. Anarchy. When you have people losing trust in the system, it leads to anarchy. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well for more notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.